Yeah.
Mike Wilmer.
They took a care. Look. Mike will made it, I will make it. I made it, they still hate it. Now I know what's separated, the underrated, uneducated. Those of us that get to it, I sit high, I levitated. Ain't no competition, I don't know why I hesitated. Maybe cause I was medicated. Last night we celebrated, I serenaded this track. I can't lie, baby, I'm dedicated. I'm heavy off in this game. All these other cats just featherweighted. I thought about it, I meditated. Elevate till I escalated. This is what I need though. I know it, I better take it. I bet your favorite MC might just bet a chain, I bet a bracelet. Bet I press through all the bases. Cold case like cop cases. BT come find me, I'm down here with these cop races. We ride them drop tops, got rocks all in our watch faces. Guaranteed them top spaces. Been playing my pocket aces for real.